birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Phoenix. Happy birthday to me. Hey family, I'm up early this morning. Normally before anybody else move around. So I gotta say happy birthday to myself. But it's a blessing to be here. A blessing to be at my mom's house that I've been renovating. A blessing to be in my hometown right now to be able to do some of the things that I'm doing. Just a blessing, family. And sometimes, I used to hear the saying that says, once you done went that extra mile, sometimes you got to pat yourself on the back. And it's okay, because sometimes you do. You're not going to always have someone there to hip-hop hooray you on. You know what I mean? So if I have learned anything about being here 42 years is that if you want something and you really, really want it, you're going to have to do it yourself. And if you keep doing it yourself, those who you want to be involved in it will be involved in it. But it might not be those that you thought that should be involved in it. Just keep getting your hog on. Be blessed. Hog on.